Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can make your audio sounds muffled with a Capcut. I already have the video here, but my video has no audio yet. And today let's just add some audio on it. To make it simple and easier, you just need to do an voiceover. Click on the audio and then click this voiceover. Now you just need to click and hold into this button while talk about what do you want to talk into the video. I will try to add the voiceover here. Get the sound muffled. And whenever you're done, just go for this checklist button. And here is the audio that I just added. Get the sound muffled. Okay, now let's make this audio sounds muffled. You just need to go click into the audio clip and they'll give you all the options here. One of them is voice effects. Just go tap it and then you just need to go click into the retro and slide this option into the left side until you find the microphone, and then you just need to go click it. Get the sound muffled. Checklist button, and now your audio is ready sound muffled. Get the sound muffled. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's move again into other tutorial.